How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of D Square Fishing. Yes, it has been a long time since I talked to you guys. I hope you all have been doing great, staying safe out there. I hope you all had a good New Year's and a good Christmas, y'all. Yes, it's been wild times, and being an adult, you know, you got to do adult things. Yes, I've been gone for a while, but hey, it is what it is. And hopefully more videos to come and something great in the future. Hopefully, maybe, we'll see. But anyway, this video was way back in July. We took a family vacation up to Maine, the Trenton, Ellsworth, Bar Harbor area. Maine is a very beautiful state. I lived up there when I was about 7, 8-ish, 6, 7, 8, around that area. Awesome. I lived up in Limestone, so it was more further north where I lived, but this is more, I guess, in the middle of the state on the coast. But awesome place. So we decided to do some smallmouth bass fishing, and we pulled off to the side of the road somewhere around in Ellsworth. There's this bridge, went down, nice looking river, and started fishing there. Didn't catch no big old monsters. Caught one decent size, but it is what it is. Had a great time. Caught a lot of smallmouth. Caught some weird looking, I guess, creek chub looking sucker fish. I don't know, algae eater looking thing. But it was awesome. You know, used rooster tails, live worms, little swim baits, Ned rigs. The only thing I could catch them on was, once again, if you guys watch my videos, good old rooster tails. That's just, I don't know, that's what I catch them on. But anyway, so like I said, I hope y'all been doing great. Stay safe out there. I mean, it's a crazy world out there, and I really appreciate all the views, all the comments, and thank you for watching. So let's get to rolling, and I hope you like Ellsworth, Maine. Got my first hook here, Ellsworth, Maine. Let's see what I got. A little smallmouth. All right, cool. That's good. We pulled off some side of the road, like I said in the intro, here in Ellsworth, Maine. Oh, there it goes. Fast release. So, that's pretty neat. But anyway, yeah, we came up here, you know, a little vacation up in Maine. Haven't been to Maine in 30 years. Like, I lived up in here when I was like 7, 8 years old, up in Limestone. So we'll see what kind of fishing we got going on here. Got another one. That's good. There's a little one. That's the biggest one of the day right there. Nice little smallmouth. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to come up here in Maine and do some smallmouth fishing. So it's pretty cool. They got, you know, a whole bunch of different species up here you can catch: salmon, trout. But I just wanted me to catch a green, well, if I can get them out, there you go. Just wanted to catch a green monster. That's what I wanted to do. See if we can catch a big one. That's when we need the big one. There you go. There you go. I think I like this spot better than the other one. There you go. Get the smallmouth up here. Yeah, there you go. Nice size. Sweet. Yeah, that one's a little bigger. Alright, y'all. Anyway, GoPro died there, so I had to change out the battery. But anyway, you just saw me catch a smallmouth. But yeah, we're here in Ellsworth. I don't know, you guys recognize this bridge. You locals around here can recognize it. There you go. Got one. See if it's a big one. Nah, Mr. Little. Oh, there he goes. Superman. There you go. Woo, that one went flying. That's a nice size one. Stay still, stay still. There you go. Tasty little buggers. They're pretty nice little fish. Nice little fighting fish. There you go. Let's check them out. Nice green coloration. Very nice little fish. I don't know if that was a hit. Oh, it is. That was so, like, subtle. Didn't even feel like, well, the reason why is because it's small. Okay. That's funny. Whoop. There you go. Got another one. Let's see. It's a little. Oh. Get them up here. They ain't big, but they're fun to catch. There you go, y'all. Another little small one. There you go. There you go, y'all. I don't know what this is. Some type of creek chub or something, I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, that's a fish.
What's that on?
Orange rooster tail with bright yellow. Since I saw you caught that. So maybe they can't see the black anymore.
Kind of red, but I think that is. That's pretty good.
That's a little good one. Nice.
Yeah, we might get snake when we get out of here, but I'm going to put down all these things. Put this whole water in here.
Mm-hmm. It's a nice little one. Nice little green monster. There you go. There he goes, zooming off. Feels bigger than it is with this current. He's coming. Oh, he's a little bit. Oh, he's a big one. Oh, he's one of them sardine looking things.
What is that?
I don't know. That's what I caught over here earlier.
Sucker, ain't no?
It croaks when you grab it. Ribbit, ribbit. There you go. Yeah. Come on now.
You catching that on?
I caught that on a bright yellow rooster tail. Alright, this one's fighting pretty good. I'm using what the rod told me to do. Yeah, this one's fighting pretty good. It's a nice size one. There you go. Oh, got him there now. That's a nice one. Oh, let me. There you go. That's a nice size one. I think I had something bigger that broke my line though. Cause it did the same exact thing. It just hit it real quick. All right, yo. Cool, cool. I'm gonna put my pliers. Nice. Go, little fella. So they must like brighter colors. Well, no, he's catching them with black and silver, so. It's not necessarily true. Nah, I scooted him on the top of the water. It's a little one. It's gotta be. My drag's on there. Yeah. Whee! There you go. More bronze. Oh, there he goes. They jump out of the water. There. Did I hook him in the side? No, he's on there. Oh, I hooked him in the gills. Alright, there's another one. Bring him in. One of them little sardine things again. They like me. I don't know if I got one or it feels like it's fighting, I guess. I got something. I don't know. It's fighting. Anybody see anything? Oh.
That's probably pretty good one.
Yeah.
That's one thing about them right there.
All right, everybody, that's the end of that video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I really enjoyed fishing up in Maine, and I would highly recommend everybody to go visit that state. It's a very beautiful state, very great fishing up there, and hey, you might catch you a big one if you go. But I really appreciate the views, the comments, and everything you guys say down there. Stick around, hit that like and subscribe. Plenty more to come. This was day 1 of 3, so I got another video I got to edit and another one, so got 2 more coming up, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hey, leave a comment. Tell me if I'm doing something wrong. Tell me you don't like me. Tell me you like me. I don't know. Just leave any comment. That's fine, and that's how I learn. You see something wrong I'm doing, leave a comment. More than happy to learn from others. But I'm not no pro. Just the average guy fishing. But hey, I hope y'all like it. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all later on the next episode, D Squared Fishing.